Are you struggling to find the right crimp tool for your job? Hi, I'm Lexi with DMC, and today I'll be showing you how to use the tool selection search on our website. The tool selection search makes it easy to find the right tooling for your project. Just select your contact, terminal, splice, or coax part number to get matched with the tools you need. To get started, visit dmctools.com/toolsearch. Next, choose the component you are looking to find tooling for. We'll begin our tutorial by selecting Contacts to search tooling for all M39029 military contacts. You could search by the complete contact part number or by simply entering the bin code associated to the contact. For this demonstration, we will search by bin code. BIN stands for Basic Identification Number, which can be identified by the colored bands on the wire barrel end of the contact. Refer to the diagram on the website to identify the colored bands starting from the wire barrel end and working towards the mating end of the contact. The bin code of this contact is orange, blue, red. Use the drop-down menus to make your selection and click Search. The page that appears will include all relevant information pertaining to your contact, including the wire range you can use and whether the contact is a pin or socket. All compatible tooling will also show, including the applicable insertion and removal tools, crimp tools, and related connectors. Crimp tool accessories are shown to the right of the crimp tool. It is not uncommon to see several tool choices for a single contact. To find tooling for a terminal, start at the tool selection search and click on the Terminals option. Select the base specification and dash number of the terminal. This information will generally be included in the packaging or the receipt from the manufacturer. For this demonstration, we will select MS20659-116. Click Search. Several pieces of information related to the terminal will appear. This information is useful in confirming the terminal you have matches with the terminal you have searched. The provided information includes wire size, terminal insulation color and material, plating, and max temp rating. Following this information will be all of the compatible tooling for the terminal. Follow the same process to find tooling for a splice. For this example, we will be using M81824/1-01. Following the table of technical data related to the splice will be the available tooling. Again, it is not uncommon for there to be several tool and die options compatible with a single splice. In order to use the Coax RF search, you will need to have the full part number of the coax connector, the inner contact number, and the outer ferrule number. For this demonstration, we will use a coax connector with a base spec of M39012/56 and a dash number of 10. Below the table of technical data, you will see tooling options for crimping the inner contact. Simply return to the previous page and select the 50 dash number to find the appropriate tooling for the outer ferrule. You can also use our connector search to determine which contacts work with your connector and ultimately find the right DMC tooling. To do this, you will need the full connector part number. This is typically printed on the connector itself or provided on the connector datasheet from the manufacturer. For this example, we will use a common MIL-DTL-38999 Series 3 connector. Make the selection from the drop-down and click Search. Use the datasheet to locate the shell size and insert arrangement or layout to determine which contact size works with your connector. The first common will show all contact options in that size. Select the hyperlink to find compatible tooling to each. With DMC's tool search, finding the right tool is fast and simple. Try it today at dmctools.com/toolsearch. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X.